Hi, welcome to step 12. It's wonderful. This is the last step. If you are up to this level means you have done a great job. Now it's time to promote the videos. It's time to show the world your video. After completing this lecture, you will be able to know the importance of digital marketing and promotion. Promote your video on Facebook page. Share your video Facebook post to your friends. And hooray, you should feel proud as you have done a great job by completing all the 12 steps. By the end of this video, you should definitely feel proud because you should have completed these 12 steps. Every small step makes a difference in your life. Feel proud, feel great, jump after uploading your first video. How to promote a video on Facebook page. Follow the steps below to upload a video. Before this, I want to tell you very clearly, digital marketing is a revolution now. You need to upload, promote your videos. Without promoting your videos on Facebook and every other place, it is not possible people to know about your videos. You have to tell them that we created a great YouTube channel and you are uploading videos consistently. You need to tell them clearly. Then only it's possible. So in this video I show you one example. Log into your Facebook account. Probably by this time you should know how to create a post and all those things. If you know this, just leave it. But I'm making this video for people who don't know what is Facebook page and how to upload, how to post a video. Open your Facebook page. If you don't have a Facebook page, create one for your channel. It is very easy. Just browse and create a page. Copy the video link and paste in the post. Write some description, copy from your video description, publish the post and share your post to your friends. I do it regularly for all of my videos, for all of my Facebook posts. And example video, as usual, I promote 5 tips for healthy body and living video on Skills Panda Facebook page. I'll show you how to do that. See, I logged into my Facebook page, Facebook account. This is my account and I have, these are the Facebook pages. See, this is Skills Panda Facebook page. If you don't like the page, please like it. This is the link, Facebook Skills Panda. Now open our video. This is the video. Log into your channel and click the link, copy, come to your Facebook, click here, Ctrl V. Allow few seconds, it shows the link and take the title from here, Ctrl C, and the same title you put it here. You can delete if you want by Skills Panda because already it is there. Now this is the complete link and you can as usual as I try to get the entire description, Ctrl C. People wants to know about this one. See, this is the description. Just customize this. Everybody wants to live a healthy life. Yes, routines to live healthy. Are you ready to live healthy? Yes. Yeah, I want to keep everything. See, we designed the post and click on publish. See, this post has published on our Facebook page. Now you can share this. Simply share this, click on share and I'm going to share on my channel, share to your own timeline. Yes, I want to share this. Even I want to share on my friends page, on a friend's timeline. For example, I want to share it on my wife and just post it. Like this, if you have a good friends, share it, share to other page. I have other pages, like for example share on a page you manage. These are the different pages I have, like Skills Panda Telugu. Share it. See, if I see it here, see this is available on my page front end, and it is visible on other pages. I shared 2-3 times. This is how now your friends, everyone know about this video. If they click it here, they come to see your video. How wonderful it is. Is it not great? Definitely it's great. So I feel, even I too feel really happy to complete all the 12 steps. See you in the next video. That is overview. Thank you so much.